Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing, grade 1? Good. That's really great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you. And welcome to your first lesson of numeracy. Uh, third lesson of numeracy in week number 22, right? Now, in today's class, we will be revising a new topic. You know that in this week we have started with revision. We are already done with our syllabus. So now we are revising all the topics one by one, right? So the today topics that we will be revising is about comparisons. What is that? Comparisons. Do you remember that when we learned this together? What were comparisons? Yes, anyone can tell? Comparisons are basically the words that we use to compare different things. Let's say if one is tall, then we need a word to tell something which is a bit more tall than that. So instead of saying more tall, we say taller, right? Then there is a thing even which is even more tall than that. So again, instead of using taller, we will be saying tallest, right? So these are the comparison words that we use to tell the people about the size of something. Now comparisons, we can make comparisons, and comparisons basically tells us about not only about the tall and short, they also tells us about how heavy something is, how light something is, and the common words that we practice at that time was short, shorter, shortest, right? Then we also practiced heavy, heavier, heaviest. So all of these words, they tells us about the, yes, about the size of an object. So it can be about the size, it can be about the length. Now they are same, that how heavy something is and how, what is the height of something, right? So in today's class we will be revising this, and then there is this practice exercise that we will be doing related to this. So before moving toward that, I'm going to share the screen with you, and let's watch this interesting video about the comparisons together. And then we will do some practice exercise of it, okay? Show me a thumbs up if my screen is visible. Okay, great.
Today we will learn about comparisons and how can we make a comparison in a sentence. Always remember to use then as a comparison form and not that. That is a wrong sentence. For example, she got better marks than me. Then is the comparison. Like he is taller than me. Then
Now see over here, they are talking about the person height. So the one is taller than the other one. So instead of saying more tall, we are using the word taller, right? And when you are using this in a sentence, this is very interesting information, that when you are using it in the sentence, you will be using then to make a sentence, not that. Okay, it is important to note and remember that when you are making a sentence of comparison, you are supposed to use then instead of that to write that sentence. Okay, he is taller than me, not that me. Got it?
is a comparison. This is how you form a sentence with a comparison between yourself or somebody else, or between one thing or another.
Okay, so they have not only told us about the word, but also that how to make sentences out of it. Okay, so now I'm going to share the screen with you. There are some common words that we have already discussed, that we already know. Let's look at these, which are not the common word, but still they are used to for the comparison. Clever, cleverer, the cleverest. Okay, yes, it's the quality, and we use it to make a comparison. Then we have confused, confused, more confused, most confused, right? Now it's again a state of telling about a person that he is confused, he is more confused, he is most confused. Then difficult. This question is more difficult than the previous one, or this question is the most difficult in the paper, right? Then dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. Now the types of comparison that you have done in your book, they are more, it starts from there: fast, faster, fastest, right? Then fat, fatter, fattest. Now these are the types of comparison that you have already done in your book, right? Fierce, fiercer, and fiercest. Now, how we are changing this? At first, we will be just adding an er after the word, and it will turn into the second form. And in the third form, we will be adding, instead of er, we will be adding est to make it as the third degree of adjective, right? So the same practice we'll be doing. Now look at old. So when we add er to it, it will become older. And when we will adding est, it will become oldest, right? Similarly, when we add er to poor, it has become poorer. And when we add est, it has become poorest, right? Similarly, quiet, quieter, quietest, right? Similarly, this pencil is sharp. The red pencil is sharp, the yellow one is sharper than the red, and the green one is sharpest. This is how we make comparisons. Got it? Okay. Now, what I want you is all to please open your book page number 111. This is your book page number 111. On this, there is this small exercise. It says that the tortoise has a light shell, the oyster has a lighter, and the snail has the lightest. Now, these are the insects, and depending upon their size, they have made a comparison between them. Tortoise has a light shell, the oyster has a lighter than the tortoise, and the snail, because it is very small, so it has the lightest, right? Tick the heavy basket, cross the heavier basket. Now, which one is heavy? Yes, which one is heavy? The first one. So you are supposed to put a tick on it. And which one is the heaviest? This one. So put a cross on it, right? Okay. So how was it? Did you enjoy revising it? Okay, great. So are you preparing yourself for the exam as well? Do you revise the topics at your home as well? Excellent. Do some practice exercises as well and let me know if you have any confusion. That was all for today. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.